Today we're gonna bring in a 6-in-1 pen. Now let's take a look at it and see what you get. But first of all, I'm gonna let you guys know the vendor was kind of enough to send this out for us for review, and we're gonna talk a little bit more of details. Now that Father's Day is around the corner, or maybe a birthday or a present that you're looking for, this might be a perfect gift. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So what you get, you basically get two sets of pens. All right, these are actually replaceable because they're kind of a unique style, and we're going to go over a little detail. And then you actually get the pen. So let's go ahead and go through all the features on the actual pen. All right, first of all, just to let you know, the pen displays all sorts of rulers, all right, from inches to centimeters and so forth. It goes all around. Now there is a bubble balance in the middle right here, so in every single area is flat, so you could place this on any kind of wood panel. If you guys can see, there's a air bubble right there, the little bubble in the center. Now on top of that, they give you a stylus. Yes, believe it or not, it's a stylus. So here we have a pen, and look at this, the stylus works with every single iPhone, iPad, and you could even use it on some of the droids, but mostly it's made for any iOS. So pretty awesome little application on top of that. So you're in the field and you're using your pen, this is good for that. Now let's continue on with the rest of the stuff on the pen itself. Now first of all, let's go ahead and remove a couple of things, and as you should be aware. First, you could remove the back end, and this part right here is where it's going to give you two more tools. So it gives you actual Phillips, and then you could flip it around to actually a smaller flathead. So that's pretty much what you get in here embedded. It's hidden, and you get either or, and you're going to put it back in here, and then we'll screw back this in there. And then to replace the actual ink, it's very simple. All you got to do is remove this part of it. You unscrew it, the whole thing comes off. Now removing the heads is very simple. It's just pretty much just pulling it out in one area, and it all comes out. Very simple. I'm going to give you a little trick in case you need actually to use this pen and a ruler. So what you need to do is you actually you could take the pen out completely out, get the ruler, and then start marking things up in case you do need access to a pen and a ruler at the same time. You can do that, or you could go back into your case and get one of those existing ones that you have. So very unique, very simple, easy. It makes a great gift for anybody that's looking for something simple and easy to give. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.